Hello everyone! In today's video, we will learn how to download Capcut on your PC. Capcut is a completely free video editing software that comes with a ton of cool features such as trending effects, filters, overlays, and even AI-powered tools. So, let's download the Capcut software for PC. First, visit Capcut's official website, and here click the Download for Free button. A new tab will open up on your computer screen and the software will start downloading. Within a few seconds, the software will be downloaded. Now, let's open the folder to locate the downloaded file. Double-click the installer file to start the installation process. It will take a few minutes to complete the installation. The installation time depends on your internet connection. If you have fast internet, it will install within 2 or 3 minutes. Select the software's default language from the list and save it. The installation is completed, and now it is testing if your device is compatible with the software or not. Click on Confirm to proceed. Capcut Video Editor for PC has been successfully launched. Open New Project. Welcome to the Capcut Video Editor. Now, you can explore all its features and effects. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.